Hello student, I am well, hope so you are also well. In our last video we have discussed about 6.2 chapter 6 integer, and today in this video we are going to discuss exercise 6.3 chapter 6 integer. So let's start our video. So question number 1 given, subtract 35 minus 20. In the last video we have discussed mostly on addition. Okay, now subtraction is there. 35 minus in bracket directly 20 is there, that means positive number. Okay, so plus minus becomes minus, so 35 minus 20 directly we are getting 15. It is very easy. Then 7 B is one. Question number 1b, 72 minus 90. Same way positive number is given, so 72 minus 90, so positive negatives negative, so 90 minus 72 will be 18, and before the, since 90 is a bigger digit, okay, so in front of that minus sign is there, we have to put the minus sign in before 18. Then 1c, minus 15 minus in bracket minus 18, so here we need to correct. So you see minus 15, then minus minus is there, okay, this minus and this minus becomes plus. Now this minus and this plus becomes minus, so we have to subtract it. So 18 minus 15, we are getting 3. Since the 18 is a bigger digit, before that positive sign, so only 3. Now let's move to 1d. So you can see it, minus 20 minus 13. Same way minus 20 is there, since positive number only we are removing the bracket. So minus 20 minus 13 is there. Minus minus becomes plus, so 20 minus 13 is 33, and since both are minus, so we have to write the sign minus in front. Then 1e. (23 minus in bracket minus 12), so this minus and this minus both becomes plus, so 23 plus 12 is 35. So easy it is. Question number 1f, minus 32 minus 40 again. So in bracket minus 40 is there, that is why both the sign minus minus becomes plus, and this minus for 32 will be remain minus 32. Now this plus minus becomes minus, so we have to subtract it. So 40 minus 32 is 8. Bigger digit is 40, so positive sign in front, so only 8. Hope so you have understood number 1 of exercise 6.3. Let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 is given, fill in the blanks with appropriate sign, that means greater sign, smaller sign, or equal sign. So left hand side, right hand side, two numbers are there. So minus 3 is given, minus 3, and then plus minus 6. That means when minus 3 will be remain minus 3, plus minus becomes minus, and 6. So 2 minus are there, that means positive. 6 plus 3 we have to do, we are getting 9, and before the bigger digit minus sign will come. So here left hand side our answer is minus 9. Then right hand side also we will proceed this way, minus 3 minus 6. So minus 3 will be remain minus 3, and this minus minus becomes plus, so plus 6. So plus minus becomes minus, so we have to subtract it. 6 minus 3 is 3, and before the bigger digit plus sign is there, so only 3. So we got minus 9 in the left hand side, and in the right hand side we got 3. So which is bigger, minus 9 or 3? Obviously 3 is bigger, that is why we have put the bigger sign on minus 3 minus minus 6. This is bigger than minus 3 plus minus 6. Hope so you have understood this question number 2a. Rest are same, you try to do by yourself. Try to solve it by yourself. Which is greater and which is smaller I have already answered, but you try to solve it this way, left hand side, right hand side. Okay, let's move to question number 3 then. Question number 3 is given, fill in the blanks. So somewhere left hand side answer is not there, somewhere right hand side answer is not there. We have to see which we need to fill up. Minus 8 plus one digit will be there and the result will be 0. We all know that when positive and negative are added, we will get the answer 0. So here minus 8 is given. Obviously in the blank it will be what? Plus 8 means single 8. Then we will get the answer 0. Same way 13 plus a digit will be there, then 0 is there. Obviously now positive number 13 is there. So in bracket means in the blank it will be minus 13. Same way 3C 12 plus minus 12. Same way 1 positive 1 negative. So answer here it will be what? 0 only. Then D is given minus 4 plus 1 digit will be there and our answer is minus 12. Since our answer is minus 12, that means we have to find out the digit which is in the blank. So you see here minus 4 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 12. How you can see that? See, minus 4 plus minus 8 is there and we are getting the answer minus 12. Okay, now this minus 4 and this plus minus becomes minus 8. So minus minus plus, so 8 plus 4 is 12. Before the bigger sign minus. So same or not? So our answer is what? Minus 8. Now 3E. So what will be the digit in the blank? Minus 15, answer will be 10. So 5 minus 15 will be minus 10. Answer will be minus 10. So 5 and minus 15, that means plus minus. In front of 5 plus is there, plus minus becomes minus. So 15 minus 5 is 10. Since before the bigger digit minus sign is there, so it becomes minus 10. Now question number 4, find 4a minus 7 in bracket minus 8 minus again minus 25 is there. So minus 7 minus 8. So this minus and in bracket minus 25, this minus minus becomes plus. So we wrote here minus 7 minus 8 plus 25. So this minus and this becomes plus. So 7 plus 8 will be what? 15. Before the bigger digit minus sign is there. So minus again 25. So this minus and this plus becomes minus. So 25 minus 15 is 10. And since 25 is the bigger digit and in front of that positive number, so we wrote only 10. Now for C, minus 7 plus in bracket minus 8 plus in bracket minus 90. So minus 7 remain as minus 7. This plus and this minus becomes minus. This plus and this minus becomes minus. Now all negative. All negative means we have to add it. So 90 plus 8, 98. 98 plus 7 is 105. And the sign will be also negative. I have done 4A and C. Please try to do B and D by yourself. So this is the end of exercise 6.3. Hope so you have understood it well. Thank you and have a nice day.